harsh landing, and this is the unnamed Billistic. Before I show you the whole cleaning, I do have to let you know that having the white ablative on the bottom definitely shows a lot of stuff. Even though it is clean, it still looks not that great. And I also want to let you know that because the ablative does not go above the water line, your gel coat also doesn't look too great. And if we do scrape at the gel coat too much, it could damage the gel coat. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and show you the cleaning that I did get done, to where you have a reference of what it looks like.